Modern African cuisines reflect the history and fusion of local ecology and public culture. Cooking is visible in imperial political structures and culture exchange between neighbors, families, and social classes in different regions. African cuisine and bread often reflect a geography dominated by starchy staples like rice, maize, cassava, plantain, and yam. This geography encompasses both the types of grains such as maize, rice, sorghum, and millet, and root crops including yam, cassava, and coconut, as well as cultural preference regarding what constitutes a satisfying and hearty meal, particularly in terms of its texture. Colonization and political domination also affect cooking culture. European foods such as pasta and baked wheat bread appeared in African cities after colonialism. Africa has unique cuisine that reflect the different local ingredients, colonial history, and trade effect in each region. All food-based dietary guidelines use graphical representation to illustrate dietary recommendations. Behind the diversity of cuisine in different parts of Africa, in 2021, around 20.2% of the African population experienced hunger and food insecurity.
This arid landscape in northern Kenya is part of the Greater Horn of Africa that's experiencing its worst drought in decades. As a result, more than 1.7 million children are suffering from the most lethal form of malnutrition.
We're hungry because we have nothing to eat. We only eat these wild berries. We have no livestock, we have nothing. We depend on the trees where we collect wild berries. That's our food.
The situation is being made worse by conflict thousands of kilometers away. This life-saving supplement, known as a power paste, can mean the difference between life or death in a place where aid workers say young children are dying in near famine-like conditions. Invented a quarter of a century ago, a single sachet delivers 500 calories of essential nutrients, allowing malnourished children to quickly regain energy and weight. But the conflict in Ukraine has affected the cost and availability of the life-saving peanut paste, as well as the means to deliver it to those who desperately need it.
Children die as a result of malnutrition, the effects of drought, 3 years down the line, no rain. So this one is life-saving. Without this, more children will die.
The timing could not be worse. UNICEF, which buys nearly 80% of the world's supply of these supplements, expects the cost to rise to $12 million more than when the war began. And with donations to deal with the food shortage crisis here falling far behind, many say more needs to be done to help the millions of people in the Horn of Africa. Gillian Wolfe, Al Jazeera.
Food insecurity in Africa can be caused by four main factors. The first, climate change. In 2017, United Nations Environment Programme stated Africa is the region most affected by climate change. The second, violent conflict. Violent conflict have a significant impact on Africa's food insecurity. Conflict that occur can result in damaged agricultural land as conflict sites, damaged food production facilities, and agricultural equipment. Third, COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted all aspects of life in the world, including the food supply chain and logistics, related to food handling and distribution, as well as in Africa. The fourth, rising cost of living crisis issues. This is one of the causes of food insecurity in Africa, which is exacerbated by the global increase in food price due to the impact of COVID-19. The main pressures behind the increase in hunger since 2015 are violent conflict and climate change, which are compounded by the impact of the pandemic recovery stall since 2021, all of which are exacerbated by the war in Ukraine since February 2022.